How to redeem birthday drink at Starbucks. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Starbucks Corporation is an American multinational chain of coffee houses headquartered in Seattle, Washington. If you are a Starbucks Rewards member, you will be eligible for the birthday reward. On your birthday, you will receive one complimentary handcrafted beverage or one complimentary food item or one complimentary ready to drink bottled beverage, which is called your birthday reward. Your birthday reward may be redeemed at participating Starbucks store only and excludes multi-serve food or beverage items. Beverages that contain alcohol, merchandise, and packaged coffee, and items available at Starbucks Princey locations. To qualify for your birthday reward, you must join the Starbucks Rewards at least 7 days prior to your birthday, provide your birthday in your account information, and make at least one star earning transaction prior to your birthday each year. Your birthday reward will be automatically added to your account on your birthday and is valid only on that date. You must scan the member barcode in the app or present your registered Starbucks card in order to redeem your birthday reward. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.